Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Factorio on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the developers section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to download the Linux installation package from their website. Now we will open it in our file manager. Move the installer to the Linux folder. Now we will continue to the next part of the installation process, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install the game. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will extract the installation packet. Press Enter. Now we will launch the game via the terminal to make sure that everything works. Now we will create an application launcher for the game. Firstly, we will update the repositories of our Linux container. Now we will install a menu editor which we will use to add the game to our menu. Press Enter to confirm the installation. With the last command, we will launch the menu editor. Choose a category. Click on New Item. Choose a name of your choice for the desktop entry. Command is the executable package. Save the launcher. Now we will launch the application. Enjoy.